Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Great weather rolls on today. Will likely be just a few degrees warmer this afternoon. If you can recall how nice it felt on Sunday with those temperatures in the low 80s. It's likely what we'll see again today with that low humidity. Mostly sunny this morning, but we may see just a few of those high-level clouds drift through this afternoon. So if you're kind of out and about today, should be a very pleasant day. Cool this morning, and we only have a few more days of the cool mornings here. So we'll start out in the 40s and 50s in your high temperatures today. Just about right at average, upper 70s and low 80s for us. This is kind of typical early May weather for us, and we are going to feel some changes here in the upcoming days. So I think today as well as tomorrow, very nice for us, but you can see the clouds starting to increase across West Texas ahead of our next storm system, and that storm system is spinning off the California coastline here, and as that low begins to carve a path across the country this week as it gets closer to the Arklatex, we are going to feel the humidity and the temperatures crank up Thursday and Friday, and I think by late Thursday we'll begin to see rain return here. So we're going to get into a pattern where we have that daily chance of thunderstorms and first push of rain likely coming through late Thursday into Friday, and increasing rain chances for the weekend as well. So if you do have some outdoor plans for the weekend, this low will trigger some additional storms, especially during the warm part of the day. So Saturday afternoon we'll probably see decent coverage of rain and a few storms here. And as far as the severe weather setup, really can't rule out severe weather at this point, can't rule it in either, but as we know in May, any one of these thunderstorms can typically bring a risk for some high wind, even some hail as well. So I do think by the time we get to the weekend we could see low-end severe weather possibilities, whether it's a marginal or slight risk for us, but I do think that will be something to watch this weekend. But it's not like earlier in the spring where you get that day that kind of pops out, and that's the day we watch for severe weather. It's a really muddled outlook, so we may see at least low-end severe weather probabilities maybe late this week and into the weekend. So if you have some outdoor plans for the weekend, just kind of urge you to check back on the forecast here, and not only dealing with the rain this weekend, but it appears that next week, maybe Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we will see this pattern continue. So over the next 7 to 10 days, possible that we see a good 2 to 4 inches of rain across the region.